Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Faraz Ahmed. So in this video we are going to discuss about the epic verification. Although I had this video on my channel regarding the epic verification process, but unfortunately it was removed because of some data issues. So in this video I will talk about step-by-step approach that how you can apply for the epic verification and how you can get the response. Like if you are going to apply for the epic verification of your medical diploma, of your medical degree for United Kingdom or the Ireland, you can use this process.
There are three steps for the epic verification. Number one, you have to create an account on the Epic Physician portal. Number two, identity verification with a notary cam, and number three would be the upload of the medical degree for the verification. So let's discuss the first part, that is account on the Epic Physician portal. To create an account on the Epic Physician portal, I have given this link in the description. You can open this link in any browser, and then after opening this link, you will go for physician. You will click on for physician. You can see here that you have to move at the end for login. You will click on the login, then this page will be in front of you. Either you have Epic account, if you don't have Epic account. If you don't have, you will click here. After clicking here, this page will be open in front of you. You can see in this page a lot of information is required. Once you will open this page, you will read it, everything would be clear for you. Okay, so a lot of information is required here, but the main information, the basic information which you should have for this application, you should have two things. Number one, you should have a scanned photocopy, a scanned picture of your passport, and number two, you should have a photograph in scanned form. So these two things, number one, that is scanned picture of your passport, and number two is your photo. So these two things are required here. After reading this, you will click on the continue, and this page will open in front of you. Here in this page, you will add your personal details, your name and your other details about your identity. All the details you know about yourself, and you have to put here. You will put your date of birth, your passport, your country, your province and your city, everything, and your postal address, everything will be given here. And after putting all this address, you will press on the continue button. So these are the basically personal informations. Okay, after that this page will open in front of you. Here you can see medical record. If you're graduated, you will click here, then you will add your university who has granted you the medical degree. After searching this, you can find your university on this search bar. Okay, you will select on the university, and then you will click here. This is very important. Your university has given you some registration number, and you have to put your registration number here. Then start of your medical education, last year of your medical education, the date of your degree, everything you will put here, and then you will click on add button. So once you will click on add button, this page will in front of you. You can see University of Health Sciences, start date, and everything is there. After that, you will click on the your medical college. You will click on the other option. You will click here Rawalpindi and Rawalpindi Medical College. You will click on the search bar, and everything will be there. Then you will have to put your college roll number here as well. After putting this, you will click on the add button. Alright, so in this way, this you can see University of Health Sciences and Rawalpindi Medical College both are added here. So you will click on the continue, and now you can see here it is very clearly written that which medical body has given you the registration to practice medicine in your country. So we will add this as in Pakistan. Our medical body is in the Islamabad. We will put Islamabad here. We will write Pakistan Medical Commission, and then we will tick on the search bar. So here is the Pakistan Medical Commission. We will add it. And after adding we can see that Pakistan Medical Commission will appear in front of our page. Okay, so you can see this is a Pakistan Medical Commission. Now we will move to next, and next we will put there to which medical body we want this for which medical body we want this epic verification. If you want to go USA, Ireland, UK, and any other country, as I want to go to UK, so definitely I will search for GMC. As in this list GMC is not given, so I will click on the other. I will write here General Medical Council GMC UK, and then I will definitely add it. So here you can see everything is there. Or after doing this, we will upload a photograph, our photo and the passport. So here I will tell you that which type of photo you can add here. So you can see here that your photo should be very clear. It should be very clear. A cam should be in front of you. It should be very clear. You can see in your laptop when you will upload your photo. Okay, so after after getting all these ideas, you can upload your photo. So you can see here that I have uploaded this photo. This is very clear photo. So after uploading your personal photo, then we will move to the passport. I will see here that this type of the passport picture should be there. It should be very clear. Then we will upload our passport picture. So here you can see I have uploaded my photo and passport photo as well. After this, we will add some personal details from our passport, and after adding these details, we will click on the continue. So after that, these are the terms and conditions. We will read them and we will click on OK. We will move next for the payment. So here we have to add our payment details, our card details, and $130 is the fee. Okay, so once you have put your card details, $130 will be deducted from your account, and after that this page, this display would be there in front of you on your laptop, on your computer screen. Here it is clearly saying that your request to create the account on the Epic portal has successfully received, and you will receive a response on your email address which you have given in this form. You will receive a code and you will receive an ID for you login as well. So by using that password, that code, and by using that ID, you can log in on the Epic portal, and you can further carry on to complete the second step. Okay, so now you have created the Epic account and they have sent username and password onto the email which you used during the creation. So taking the username and email, you have to log in again on the physician portal. And one thing is important, that you can change the username and you can also change the password as per your ease. Okay, so you can select any easy password or any username which you can remember easily, and along with that you have also select one image to remember that in the future, so that you can easily get to your account. Okay, now you will log in and you can again see your profile. You can check your personal details, and along with that you can check your identity documents as well. So you will see here that you can see your picture which you uploaded during the creation of an account, and you can also see your passport as well which you uploaded during the creation of your account. So along with that you will see here that this is the Epic identification form. This is very important. You will download this Epic identification form and you will keep this form into your laptop without getting print or without doing any harm with that form. This is very important. Okay guys, so now you have created the Epic account and you have downloaded the form as well, Epic identification form. So now we will move to the identity verification with NotaryCam. For this we have to create a Notary account. I have given the link in the description. You will click on the link and you will fill this form. Your account will be created after filling this form. Okay, then this page will come in front of you. You will click on the identification form, okay, which you have already downloaded into your laptop. And then after clicking, this page will open in front of you. Here you have to upload the Epic identification form which you have downloaded into your laptop, and you will also upload your passport picture as well. So after upload of both of these documents, then you will get this. Okay, if you want to start the ID verification right now, you will click on the start, and then when you will start, you will receive a email. And once you will check your email, it is clearly saying that if you are ready to start right now, please reply to this email. They will send you a link, and after joining this link, you will be able to talk with the notary workers. Okay, they will identify you, they will check your passport, they will take oath that it's really you, it's not someone else. And after taking all this, they will say, okay, now in the we are going to send your identification to the ECFMG, and ECFMG will come back to you and they will send you email within the 3 working days. But most of the time ECFMG will work within less than 48 hours. Okay, thank you. So third and the final step in this process is upload of the medical diploma, medical degree, or any other document which needs to be verified by the Epic. You will upload this and you will follow the following procedures.